What's up guys, today I'm going to go through and show you how to use this new shake transition pack. And if you like that shake effect, then I highly recommend checking out this new transition pack because it has tons of different types of shakes that you can add to your videos. So once you've installed the shake transition pack, you want to go over here to the transitions tab in Final Cut Pro on the right hand side, and then go down to the RN shake transitions, and all of the presets will be displayed on the bottom right down here. We have the 7 main transitions and then 12 additional presets. And then further down, we have the transitions for vertical video. So these will work with vertical video in vertical projects. So to add a transition, you can drag and drop the transitions onto your video clips, or you can also select the side of a video clip and double click on one of the transitions, which will also add the transition. So now that we have the transition over the 2 video clips, you can extend or shorten the transition to change the speed of the shake effect that is going to give the video. And for these transitions, you will need to add motion blur on top so that it gets that nice smooth shake effect. So what I'm going to do is go to my titles tab, go down to motion blur, and I'm just going to drag on motion blur to this. You can also get this as a free download. I'll leave the link to it in the description. So now if I play this back, we have this nice shake transition between the 2 video clips. And if I select the transition and go up to the parameters up here, we have these different settings. And on this handheld preset, if we go to shake randomness, and if you click this kind of icon here, every time you click it, it will create a brand new shake transition. So just within this one preset, there's unlimited amounts of different shakes that you can add to the video, which is a pretty cool feature. Another one of my favorite presets from this pack is the lens distortion shake. And if I add this and replace this transition, and up in the parameters here, we have the lens distortion amount. So you could either make it to add like a bulge effect or a sort of wide angle distortion effect. Another transition that I really love from this pack is the zoom in shake transition. So if I add this onto my video clip and extend this one to around 2 seconds, it also comes with this target zoom feature. So we can zoom into any part of the screen. We just need to drag this target where you want to zoom into on the video. And then we can also add some rotation. And that preset is really cool because from that one transition, we can create lots of different types of movements in between the 2 video clips. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll leave the download link to this transition pack in the description if you want to go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.